cousin James, Monte. One of the cleanest Jeep bodies in the city. This thing so clean. How long you had this, cuz?
About 11 years.
Yeah. Yeah, this mud so clean. Oh, so you went down there and got it, or you got it shipped up here?
I had it shipped up.
All original for the most part, ain't it?
Yeah.
All original. Kept a Jeep body. This like, which one this make?
I lost count. That's all we used to mess with was Jeep body.
Right. Ever since I was a kid, he always had one.
Yeah, from messing with your dad, man. That's all that was the thing to do.
I think the first one that I remember you had was, it was a gray Cutlass.
Yeah, I had a great Cutlass. I had an old Nova, Malibus, Regals, Cutlasses.
Yeah, this
That was
thing.
the thing to do.
These things, and all of them was clean. All of them. But yeah, man, he came up to me so we could put this radio in. My dad put this radio in, what year?
Oh, man.
You said, what, 12 or 10 or
Yeah,
something?
about 10 years ago.
Yeah, he said my dad put this radio in, and it's been in there since he put it in. And my dad died 2017. And this is crazy. Now he want me to take this radio out, keep this one, and put the new one in. So this basically gonna stay in forever.
Yep.
That's so crazy.
Father to son.
Yeah, man, I appreciate that.
Yeah, man, it's my pleasure.
That stuff crazy. You want to pull it in? Or you want me to pull it in?
I pull it.
Yeah, just turn around and bag it in. Yep, my dad put that radio in over 10 years ago. I think the exact year what he told me was 12 or 13. And my dad died in 17 around Easter. So the other day when he pulled up on me, he told me that he wanted me to put this radio in. I said, okay, cool, I'll put it in, ain't no problem. Then he told me that my dad put that radio in. So think about my dad been gone 8 years. This thing's so clean, dude. Yep, straight back. Yep. And he had that mug in over 10 years, so that's crazy. Like far as music, what all you got in there? You got something in the trunk too, or no?
Yeah, I got some 10-inch Alpines.
Okay.
And Pioneers in the front, Pioneers in the back one.
Okay, cool. So basically we just uninstalling the radio and hook this up and then just tune it.
Yep.
So it should be a simple install for real. Yeah, buddy. All right. Pioneer single DN out, double DN in. All right, cuz.